Hello, my beautiful lovelies, my beautiful friends. How you doing? I hope you're doing really good. Really good, my beautiful lovelies, my beautiful friends. And today on Pam's Hugs, I'm going to be showing you a Bath and Body Works haul. Bath and Body Works haul. Here's my kitty playing with a puzzle piece. Like, I can't stand how cute he is. Oh, he's so cute. Ah! But yeah, I'm going to show you my Bath Products haul. My Bath Products haul. And my other hauls. And Saturday is something fun. I'm gonna show you guys. Yay! I hope it comes on Saturday. That's what it says it will come. But yeah. Just look at my buddykins, buddy, 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 babykins. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, I love you, buddy. Buddy. You're so cute. Why are you so cute? Like, how can you be this so cute? How can you be this cute? Look how cute he is. He's just laying there like, "Lives, I'm a cat." I'm gonna have this really nice rain sound so I can drown out the sound from out there. Those crazy people. Crazy people! That's why this little crazy cat is in here with me. It's after dinner and he's chilling with me. Chilling. We came back a little late, so he's happy that he ate his dinner. He's a fat boy. Are you a fat boy? You're a good boy. Buddy, buddykins. Oh, I love you, buddy. Oh, I love you, buddy. Oh, I love you, baby. You're so cute. You are so cute. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you my Bath Products haul. Bath Body Works. Oh, crap. Bath. Yeah. I'm going to show you this. Yeah. Oh, yeah. In my next video. So, look for that video, my beautifuls. My beautiful lovelies, my beautiful friends. She's so cute. Mew. 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 Mew, mew. Meow, meow. Look at this. Look at it. It's that's what I'm gonna show you. It's a mess. Ah. But yeah. Love you. I love this cat. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh, I love you. I love you. Buddy. Buddykins. Oh, I love you. Ah! I love you, buddy. Oh, you cute. You're just the cutest little baby. I just wanna film you all day long because you're so cute. You're so cute, buddy. Are you gonna get... Oh, he kissed it. He kissed my finger. Oh, he loves me. I love you.